Hi, I'm Jose Cavanillas, Senior Vice President for Dekra Automotive Audits. I'm pleased to discuss Dekra's pivotal role as an accredited conformity assessment body for Sermi certification in the automotive industry. Sermi is one of our key services. It provides company approval and employee authorization for the Sermi certification. We enable independent operators and remote services suppliers to access security-related vehicle repair and maintenance information. This contributes to fostering a secure and efficient automotive ecosystem. Accredited by the relevant National Accreditation Body, Dekra provides the Sermi certification to workshops and dealers in the European Union. Our experts conduct third-party inspection to distinguish reputable automotive partners and ensure compliance with Sermi standards. Through a rigorous process, we audit and inspect companies in order to validate and deliver them the Sermi certification. We welcome you to contact our global network and local Dekra teams who are available to support your needs. Thank you.